G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about this. This is the very first thing that I crocheted approximately 18, 19 years ago. And it was supposed to be a hat. Now, some could say that it's a hat because you've got an opening. Look, didn't even say my ends in, nothing's changed. I've got an opening and it's got a top bit. I'm laughing because I know how bad this looks. And it was kind of like a beret, but the only thing is, you can see how small it is. This was supposed to fit a child. It probably would fit a doll. It's tiny. Or a super preemie baby. But it is not going to fit a child. I'm talking like toddler, 3 or 4 year old child, not baby child. The stitches, I don't even think that they are single crochets. This is coming out really bright red, but it's actually a dark red yarn. It doesn't matter. Yeah, there's missed stitches in there. You can see just there, I think there's a missed stitch. Yep. Oh, I've done an increase there. So I learned how to do that. Put 2 in the same. But yeah, and then look at this. Look at this edge. How fancy is that? I couldn't replicate this if I tried. How fancy, everyone. Oh, that is literally just skipping a stitch and then crocheting the next one. The person that taught me to crochet, they taught me the first bit and then sort of give me the idea on how we increase and decrease a pattern. Is it coming undone? No, it's not. That's all right. Yeah, so he told me, like, you put 2 in the same to get it to go bigger, or back then I'm pretty sure I was told skip a stitch to make it decrease, which works because it does decrease it, but now I've learned how to do a proper single crochet decrease. This thing's hideous, but I love it because it's a very, very first thing I crocheted. I think I did sort of like a little rectangle maybe to start my stitches. I don't really remember, but I know this is the very first item that I crocheted that was supposed to be anything. I love it, and I've kept it because it reminds me how far I've come in my crochet journey. Who would have ever thought that learning this would have become a full-time job? And an obsession and a fantastic hobby. Would never have thought that. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. In the comments section, please leave the first thing that you made. Other than just practicing stitches, do you remember the first item that you made? I know a lot of people make granny squares as their first project. It took me 4 years. This is no lie. It took me 4 years to attempt a granny square because I was petrified of it. And somewhere in my house, somewhere in a special place, which I can't remember where that is my very first granny square. And let me tell you, it is not square. I don't know if I've already made a video. If I have, there will be a link. If you're on your phone or a computer, a little thing will pop up here to the video. I don't know if I actually made a video of it. I can't remember. If not, if it doesn't pop up here and you can't click this, it'll be down in the description box. But I'm yet to come across it. I know I didn't throw it out. It is in a box somewhere. So yeah, when I find it, I'll make a video on it. So you can see my non-granny. It's squarish. It's got 4 sides, so I guess it's a square. But it's 4 equal sides? No. But yeah. Just remember, when you very first start, it don't matter if it doesn't look like what it's supposed to. It's about practicing. Even though this hat is completely weird, I practiced tension through the whole thing because that's what it's about. It's about learning and automatically learning how to do your tension. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing what your first item was that you made. Until next time, happy crochet.